Ngasi NEEC Education Trust na khoi 17th Education Fair shi pangthok pane shin bane shigi school in collaboration with Fancier Higher Secondary School da akhoi gi main objective na shi pangthok chidi like after 12 angang shin kai kai makha tam thaba ya ba kai kai tam thaba ya ba haibido aduga magi professional course kai kai leibra haiba representatives universities ki representative miyam chida proka we invite them and then we provide the platform where the student and parents can meet the representatives of the universities and have a consultation with them about the various job prospects, which is I think the need of the hour here in Manipur, because there are so many students who are very confused about the courses and they are and because of the internet accessibility problems, many students are facing this problem. So for this reason we have invited the representative out here and we have organized this kind of education fair program. So today is the last day. We have already organized this in Imphal Hotel on 28th and 30th, and today is the last day. So if parents can also come and visit here and have a consultation with the representatives, so that the students will have a lot of knowledge. And I personally feel that this is a very good opportunity for the parents as well as students over here in Manipur to come and have a consultation in such kind of platform. Thank you very much.